Hi everyone. Today I want to take just about when doing physical activity and healthy habits is so important. This health and feel better, stay strong and live an health, healthy life. Why physical activity is important? When with more or boys like working, dancing, or play sport. We become strong and healthy in health use, feel happy and lessen, sleep better, keep and healthy weight, prevent sick like heart disease and diabetes. Good habits also merit and lot. Some, for example, are eating habit food like fruits, vegetables, and proteins, drinking enough water every day, sleep 7 and 9 hours per night, take breath and relax when we're stressed, when convinced, exerting when good habits, when feel more energy, focus, mm, breathing and enjoy life more. It's not just about looking good, it's about feel and good inside, inside and out. So remember thanking carry us to void and you made and the best grades you can give it to said. Less more and best is like happiness.